Give it a position and a sideways speed, and the path draws itself. One number turns a circle into a crash or an escape. An orbit is just two numbers. Let's rewind and build it. Throw a ball, and it arcs down and lands. Gravity always wins. But throw it sideways fast enough, and as it falls, the ground curves away beneath it. It keeps missing the Earth. That is all an orbit is, falling sideways forever. First, the acceleration. Minus mu times the position over the distance cubed, always pointing back toward Earth. Second, the step. The same RK4 propagator, so the orbit stays accurate over thousands of steps. Then, a loop. Start with two numbers. Step, record the position, repeat. The orbit is just that path. Now, pick numbers for a real target. Match the space station about 400 kilometers up, 92 minutes around. A state, the gravity on it, a propagator to step it, and a loop. That is orbital mechanics.